Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. This video is part 2 to our 3-part full lace wig series. In this video we will be showing you all how we toned our 613 full lace wig from CoreyJsBoutique.com to achieve our winter wonderland look. So if you guys are interested, continue watching now.
Should I assume you didn't mean it like that? Or should I assume you know exactly how you said it? You know exactly how you meant it? Should I assume it's me? Sweet disposition, switching position, broken submission. Should I assume it's a weekend thing? Boy, you could get ass all week, dropping that ass. Just think about me, and it sound good. What's the difference if it sound good?
Okay, so now that I have mixed the Wella Toner with the 2 parts developer, I'm gonna go ahead and part the hair in sections. I usually do kind of like either 4 or just a left and right section.
Mystery number, call back. I better not be for again. No, you wish it wasn't. No, you wish it wasn't. Ooh, so hard to love. Darling, you make it too hard to trust. Running from me, I'm scared of love.
Okay, so now that the hair is parted, I'm gonna go ahead and begin applying the Wella Toner. I usually use my hands only because it's easier for me to like smooth it out and make sure I get the color on each of the sections of hair. How I did it, you guys will see in the video, I left some strands blonde, and I did that to kind of give the wig some dimensions so it just wouldn't be like one straight color. So on some parts of the hair I only toned the bottom of it and I left the top, the 613 blonde. On other parts of the hair I did the top and then I left the bottom 613.
I just say that every time. It's worth the life, it's worth the crime, it's worth the bad karma. I bet you like you rough, making bad decisions all week, begging, and you love it. All good, what's the difference? Still good, split the difference. All good, what's the difference if it's still good? Just nachos exclusively. Used to be all good, all bad. Take it up, that's more than ooh, so hard to love. Darling, you make it too hard to trust. Running from me, I'm scared of love. Make it easy for me. I wanna be as difficult for me. I'm scared of love. Yeah, make you hard to trust. Why you running from me? I'm backing up. Make it easy for me. Don't wanna be scared of love.
Okay, so here are the results of the hair after we have toned it. In this next video, we're going to show you guys how it looks after you rewash, condition, and straighten it. We hope you all love this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.